Welcome back to the Dry Fire Journal. This is day 233, and I'm not talking very loud because it's early morning and I'm in a hotel room in Montana as I drive across the country to teach a class called The Test this weekend. I want to show you with a CERT gun. I'm using a CERT for safety issues because of the hotel environment that I'm in. I want to talk about how our support hand meets with our shooting hand and give you an opportunity to really think this through and work on just this one small micro influence in your draw stroke and your presentation to target. Can my support hand meet as close to my body as I can get it? And can my support hand roll? Or you can think about chopping and collapsing. Can it roll forward so that I have as little disturbance of my efficient path to target as possible? I'm gonna try to square up to the camera. We've talked about this at length in many other videos. If my support hand meets too heavy, I'm gonna follow a serpentine path to the target. And even just micro influences off of that straight path is going to disturb my sight picture. So for today, I wanna challenge you, if you're willing, to try to do this 50 times. Start not from the holster, but start about here or wherever it is you think your hands meet, and let your support hand, I'm going to try to blade myself so you can see what I'm doing here. Let my support hand roll its way on. I'm not even trying to extend. I'm not trying to escalate. I'm not trying to drive out. I'm just trying to get this. Just trying to get this. Just this. Over and over again, so that I can really repeat this process and maybe even feel some things as to how I want my support hand to guide its way, not onto the gun, but onto my shooting hand. How do I want my support hand to roll up here? If you've been through my classes, you know that I like this support hand thumb being high, being strong, and being activating for my support hand pinky, which is really important for recoil control. So can my support hand just roll? Now, here's the big trick. About halfway through your reps, when you really feel like you're getting the hang of it, I want you to turn. I'm going to turn so you can see me. I really want you to focus on your front sight. And this is not about how you're gonna draw. This is a experimentation of a micro process of your draw stroke. Can you get your support hand, sorry for the air conditioning noise, can you get your support hand on the gun without disturbing your front sight? It should look something like this. There's a little bit of movement there. And then can we go faster, and can we go stronger and try to keep our front sight fairly clean? I'm not presenting, I'm just doing this, just trying to see my front sight. Give this some work and see if you can smooth out your presentation to target by the way your support hand meets as you present the target. Give this some thought, give this some work. Let me know if it helps you, and I'll see you tomorrow.